System of linear equation. As T is a linear transformation from f power n to f power m. If T is what? Linear transformation from f power n to f power m. So for each x, so that for each x who in fn implies, it will implies that tx belongs to fm. That is, if you say that same thing in another word, we can define a system tx equal to b, which is equivalent to the system ax equal to b. Then we will define tx equal to b a system. That same system is equivalent to ax equal to b, where x we will write as a n tuple like x1 x2 dot 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 xn belongs to fn, and b we will write b1 b2 dot 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 bm, and that belongs to f power m, called system of m equations in n variable. So system of m equations in n variable. How many variables are there? N variables. System of m equations in n variable, it will be called. Or there are two notes. One is that this system is called consistent if its solution set is non-empty, otherwise it is called inconsistent. What it called? Consistent. The same system is called consistent if its solution set is non-empty. If its solution set is non-empty, then we will say consistent. Means consistently it is, that system is consistent. And if it is not consistent, then we will say it is inconsistent, means it is equal to empty. The system of equation ax equal to b is called homogeneous. The system is called homogeneous when if b equal to 0, otherwise it is called non-homogeneous. System will call non-homogeneous if b is 0, homogeneous. B is not 0, non-homogeneous. Earlier consistent, solution set is empty, inconsistent. Solution set is non-empty, consistent. That is like that.